Hi guys, it's Shani. As promised, I wanted to make a mixed media canvas of my word for the year. I have not done this before, but I'm super excited to do it. I saw lots of people do it last year, and I was definitely inspired to do it this year. But my word of the year is fearless because I think I definitely suffer from anxiety and being fearful and not taking risks and letting that hold me back. So this year, with grace, of course, I hope to overcome that fear because I think that it's been really paralyzing me to not do things because I'm afraid that they won't be successful. And that's just really bad. That's a really bad way to live your life in fear. And I definitely want to step out of my comfort zone, to take more risks, and just to live fearlessly. So that's why I picked this word. I did it with mixed media because that's what I love. So I did this beautiful mixed media canvas, which I listed all the materials at the beginning of the video. And I really enjoyed the process. I used colors that I really don't use, but colors that I really felt drawn to for this year. So I'm super excited. It's going to be a wonderful year, and I really hope that this word, looking at this word every day, propels me to be fearless. So if you've never done a word of the year, I'm just going to kind of explain briefly what it is. Hopefully I can be brief. And I'll just give you some key points of why it's really wonderful to choose a word of the year. So the first thing is that it focuses your year, right? So over this year, maybe I'll be scattered or confused or different things will come up, but I will be able to focus on this word fearless and let that be the focus of my year, right? So opportunities will come, that kind of thing, but I will keep this word in my heart, of course, with the help of grace. And also a word of the year helps you to unify your goals. So maybe someone approaches me for a business opportunity, and maybe it's for a workshop, but I'm too afraid to take the risk because I'm afraid that not enough people are going to sign up. All of these things that go through my crazy head sometimes, and I say no to an opportunity because of that. But my word, if I look at my word and I really examine this word, it can help me to make better decisions for the year. So maybe that I'm not going to be fearless. I'm going to take this risk. I'm going to see where it can take me, and I'm not going to be paralyzed by my fear or feel fear of failure, right? And then it also gives you flexibility because maybe our goals can change over time, or we fail to meet a goal. So it's easy to get discouraged, but having this single word can help me just readdress my goals, right? My goals. So it gives you flexibility. Also, it puts your goals in the front of your mind. Like maybe sounds so crazy, but I have so many goals and dreams that are connected to this fearlessness, things that I want to try. And I'm going to hang this right above my desk and look at it every day. So it's going to be just a reminder to be fearless in everything, in every part of my business. And hopefully it will, flow into my personal life too, because I could definitely use that. And also it makes it easier to review, right? Because I can say, how did I reflect this word this year? Maybe it's that, I submitted a project to a magazine. That to me is fearless. That's something that I would have talked myself out of before or whatever. So it really helps you to see that you really are accomplishing your goals, different than resolutions and that kind of thing. So hopefully that gives you a guide. I hope that you choose a word. I am doing a surprise giveaway. So tell me what your word is in the description of this video, and I will pick 4 people that will win a free download of one of my zines. So hopefully that inspires you a little bit. They're very beautiful, inspirational zines that I created. So I would love to share those with 4 lucky people. So I'll give you guys maybe let's do till the 20th. So 1/20/2018, and just leave me a comment. And I would love it if you could share this video on Facebook or on even on YouTube now, I think you can share videos, and on Pinterest or something like that, but I'm not going to check it out. So feel free to do it or not, but definitely leave me a comment, and I hope that this helps you, maybe that it motivates you to pick your own word and to put it out. You know, like, it's great to have stuff in a journal, but I'm really glad that I did a canvas. And if you don't have a canvas, you could absolutely just use a piece of cardboard and hang it on your wall and look at it every day, and hopefully it will propel you, because I'm hoping to be a lot less fearful. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and it helps me so much if you share this video. And I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Be fearless.
You were there for me, I can't even lie. You picked me up about 1,000 times. My mama's glad I got you in my life. She know that you the type that rides or die. I don't even care about the one you with, 'cause we go through the thick and thin. You got my back since we were kids. When you need my help, I'll be here. If you're ever hurting, if you're ever down, if the world leaves you, I'll be around. You're riding with me. I don't care the time, I don't care the place, I don't care where you are. If you are about to fall, all you have to do is call me. I will be here. If you ever on the run, I don't care what you've done, better know that you can run to me. I will be here. I will be here. You can make me laugh until I cry, and you bailed me out about 1,000,000 times. My sister loves you, said you've been good to me. You always been my girl, unofficially. But you're getting married, sometime this fall. Well, that don't change my heart at all. I got your back since we were kids, so when you want my help, I'll be here. If you're ever hurting, if you're ever down, if the world leaves you, I'll be around. You're riding with me. I don't care the time, I don't care the place, I don't care where you are. If you are about to fall, all you have to do is call me. I will be here. If you're ever on the run, I don't care what you've done, better know that you can run to me. I will be here. I will be here. got you